Hopefully, you guys can play afterwards. Nope, it doesn't let you weather. Okay,
Is this a lamp test?
Oh,
Ooh, what a nice feature, Emmett. It looks like there's only one version then? That's what that means?
Where's the back? You put the back.
I got the backs, honey love. I'm not sure the AC. Ooh. Let me just look. I don't want you to press it. Oh, I had that in the wrong. Mommy's bad. She had it in the wrong direction. This one's a little tricky. Okay? It's got a little. Yeah, it's got a little funky. Oh, Mommy had it upside down. See? It's not tricky. Mommy's just not tech oriented. Turn around. Ooh, what a nice device. It's just smooth. It's got the... Shut the front door. Is that what sound it makes?
Test.
Look, Scout does not make any movements, but I hear Trey. What? Right away it went right to a station? What kind of... This is a very nice device, Emmett. Hey, you're really getting good at these, picking out these weather radios. Good one. Although I'm not quite sure about this AC adapter. It didn't really work that well. Pretty generic. Might just be the plug. We got to get the, it's just loose. It's loose, the plug. But it's fine because you have the batteries. Just keep the batteries in there, okay? Do me a favor.
What's the menu?
What does the menu say?
Yes, where
this
menu?
Says weather channel, alert mode, test, up, time set, weather, FM AM, on, radio buzz off. So these are all features of the
on.
Radio buzz off.
I want it on.
You want what on?
Radio buzz.
Okay, those are all different things, okay?
I wanted the buzz.
Buzz is for the alarm.
Can I go? Let's see it.
Okay, so like what they're saying, what they're saying is buzz, which means the alarm.
Yes, I wanted to.
You want the alarm?
Buzz. I want to go to buzz. Buzz.
Okay, it's on buzz. Yeah. No, it's not the alarm that's buzz, or it's not the test that's buzz, honey. It's your alarm is on. You'll probably oh, you almost got me there with the antenna. Do you want to play around with it and then do another video later? You still videotaping, bro?
Can we set up the time?
Sure. Okay. You hit this time set. Okay, maybe time set. Hold on.
Let me get the owner's manual.
The manual may help, yeah. I think I'll just put myself in the same room. Okay. Time set.
No words.
Time set.
You put the phone down?
I faced it towards us, so you can grab it if you want in videotape.
Yeah, this is the WR11.
Where's the manual?
Oh, I didn't know how to bring this. WR11. I don't know what I'm about to mean. This is going to be the title. The time is now 2:26 p.m. Done?
No,
6:26 p.m.
According to Alexa, it's 2:29. Who do you believe?
Alexa.
7:29. And what time do you want your alarm set? 8 o'clock's good. That's when you have to get up for school.
Yes, 8.
Okay, perfect.
Done?
Yep, all done. And so buzz, if you put it on buzz, your alarm's going to get up. Your alarm will be on. Oh my gosh, you have an alarm clock now? 2 alarm clocks.
So just put buzz. Yeah, I will later.
Ooh, buzz. No,
Saturday,
if you push this
areas
button,
of
boom,
frost in
it'll
the
give you
morning.
the weather.
Sunny.
Listen to this. What
Highs
a
in the upper
beautiful
40s.
thing. If you push that button in the
How?
morning, it gives you the weather report. And while you're
Afternoon.
while you're in bed,
Saturday night,
it gives you the
mostly
weather
clear
report for
until
10
midnight,
minutes.
then
And
becoming
then
partly
the
cloudy.
alarm goes off again
Lows.
10 minutes later. So it's like, it alerts you like, hey, we've been giving you the weather for 10 minutes. Now you can
5
do
to
it.
10 miles.
What?
It's a weather snake.
Mama, how we set channel?
It doesn't say you need to.
Mostly
I think
clean.
it's auto, let's see. Oh, Weather
30s.
Channel, you're right.
Tuesday, mostly clear.
I'm so silly. Okay.
Highs in the low.
Look,
Steps now
it just,
to protect
it scrolls through. Channel 3, Channel 4, Channel 5,
small
Channel 6.
hazard station.
Channel 7.
HC36,
Oh, okay.
Broadcasting from the
And that was the setup, the WR11. See you guys in the next one.